Ngayon ko lang nalaman na I got my first payment na pala. Look at this. Ayan o, nakikita nyo yan. Woo!
We're gonna party like it's 30, 12 tonight.
After 1 year, or 1 year and a half, naka-earn rin tayo. Ito na yung bunga ng pag-vlog natin. Thank you so much yun, guys. Kasi kung di dahil sa inyo, di ko rin naman to makukuha. Kasi I'm just a starting content creator in Naga City who loves to vlog his college life. And now I've gained this much followers and started earning. Yeah, that's why we're gonna spend it here sa dati kong school where most of my vlogging journey started. Aww. Hi guys, I'm Jibril Bagtong, a second-year college student at Ateneo, and right now we're here sa dati kong school where I finished my junior high school and senior high school years. Grabe, dami na rin pinagbago, no? Diba? Guys, alumni rin to eh. Itong cameraman natin. So my plan pala is to buy all the foods in the canteen. This one, this, also some snacks, and even yung mga drinks. And we're gonna give them away for free. Kasi we're gonna surprise the students here. Naman lahat. But the thing is, it just didn't go what I expected. Pagkapasok ko pa lang, I was surprised kasi may nakakilala sa atin. Ay wow, naka-follow, no? Thank you so much, thank you. Anong grade na kayo? Grade 8, di ko na kayo nabutan. Ano yan, project nyo?
Opo, yes.
Okay. Pahingi nga.
Ano ka nito?
Try ko lang Di ako masyadong marunong nito. Wow! Yes,
Gusto ko lang po sabihin na kasama ninyo ako simula nung mga panahon na nagbebenta pa lang kayo ng cheesecake sa main building. Thank you po.
Okay na sana, kaso cheesecake. Di naman ako nagbenta ng cheesecake eh.
Oo, nagbebenta.
Cookies yun.
Okay.
Diba? Back when I was senior high school kasi, I used to sell my friends cookies during recess. Well, almost every day. Kaya I have this nickname that they gave me, Kuya Cookie, which is kinda cool. It's a nice name to be remembered by. Ito yung mga binantan ko ba ng cookies? Anong grade na kayo? 10.
Ma, I made it, ma. I made it, ma.
Look who I just met. My beautiful teacher ng junior high school. Long time no see, Mama. This is my teacher ng junior high school. Yes. Pretty pa rin. Ma'am, 98 ako, Mama. And I even met yung mga friends kong guard. Nice to see you again po, Kuya.
Kapings ng ano eh.
Wow.
Science book.
Solid yan si Kuya, pinapapasok tayo niya kahit late na tayo. Joke lang, Kuya. Dapat kaibigan niyo yung mga security guards. Kasi para pag late kayo, papapasukin pa rin kayo. Diba? Joke lang Di ko sinasabing ganun ako dito Ay ate, kamusta ulit? It's been years. Magkano yung lahat ate?
Mamaya na lang tayo magkwento kasi may lista.
Oh sige ate, sure, no problem. Pwede rin. Sige na, pati popcorn. This video is a fundraiser pala and I'm building a youth community called Be The Reason, Change Happens. Wherein yung mga funds na may ipon will be used to fund another project. Just like this one. Tell them to subscribe. And you guys can be part of this too by donating to this account. And I promise 100% of the funds will be used in the project. With full transparency to, may resibo. Okay na po, sige na po, start na. And now, it already started. It's so much nicer to be here again, doing this free lunch for the students. I love seeing the smiles on their faces and just enjoying the moments with them. Nakuha ko na yung first sound ko sa Facebook eh. Masarap yan kasi libre. Libre yan lahat. Oh, libre yan lahat. Yeah. Alright. Ang cute nito! Basta, hindi talaga ito grade 7. Enjoy kayo, libreng pagkain. No problem! Ay, bili ka na! Ha? Oh, wow!
Paano daw pumugay? Kuya.
Wala, natural na yan. Mga teacher ka sa science during senior high school. Ito naman sa physics, ito naman Gen Chem. Kamusta naman ako, ma'am?
Outstanding!
Wow. Kamusta naman nag-science so far?
Stressful?
Oh, sabi sa inyo, I know somehow na it's stressing to be here.
I hate it.
Sabi ba pressure?
Yeah.
Hindi lang ako nag-iisa dito.
Malapit ako yung umalis.
Wala. Kamusta general chemistry?
Ayoko na kuya.
Say hi ka lang, ma'am. Mapapanood nila to.
Sweet po yung defense.
Oh, di ba? Grade 8 pa lang to. Research na agad. Tapos robotics pa.
Yes.
Buti kayo may robotics, kami wala dati.
Anong ginawa niyo pang research dati?
Actually, hindi ko alam kung may research nga ba. Or kung meron man, ba't hindi ko alam? Kaya I choose the safest option. Wala kaming research masyado dati. Ang alam ko. Doon may mga nagsasabi na okay lang. Science.
Okay lang po.
Okay lang. Great. Good.
Parang duda ako dun, ha? But in my experience, sinasanay talaga dito sa pressure. Especially in academics. Preparation na rin kasi to for the senior high school or college. And this is my way na rin na kahit sa konting oras, mawala man lang yung stress nila kahit paano. And I'm really surprised kasi dami pala dito sa atin nakakilala.
Nothing like your sweet perfume on those summer nights. Nothing like your hand in mine. You and me feel.
And I'm so glad that I'm witnessing this moment. Marami na pala ang nakakapanood ng mga vlogs natin. At dati si mama lang naman ang nanonood eh. And to be honest, it feels like yesterday lang.
Nothing like your curly hair on those summer days. Nothing like.
Kasi ang dami mga familiar faces sa akin. Okay lang.
Si Kuya JP, kalbo ako.
Bumili ka na? Ay, kumawa ka naman.
Quiz na mo, quiz. Yung
sa...
Siging balik. Yung balik ng balik.
Kung ilang balik mo na yan.
Kamus talaga.
Oo nga.
Ano po? Tinitingnan ko lang po.
Oo, natandaan kita. Students I used to sell cookies to before. No problem. Ay, kamusta? Long time no see ah. Long time. Yeah.
OG followers.
Oh, yeah.
7 kami.
Oo nga.
Kuya.
Grade 9 na kayo ngayon ng grade 10. Palagi silang bumibili niyan dati kasi before pa ako mag-vlog, nagbebenta ako dito ng cookies. Also, meron din ang humingi ng tips sa akin about sa org that they're making. Org ninyo, shoutout nyo? Sige lang, go lang.
Hilliard Troop, Naga City Size High School. Multimedia Club.
Alright, let's go. May nagtanong rin Kung paano about
ano
editing.
manage to? Si editing na po sila.
Actually, mahirap. Tamad rin akong tao. Hindi, ganito kasi yun. Kung senior high school ako, feeling ko hindi ko to matatime manage. Pero ngayong college ako, natatime manage ko siya. Kasi grabe yung free schedule na ibibigay sa'yo. Para sa akin. Nakita ko ba kapatid ng tropa ko? Kapatid ni Nico! Nico, nito kapatid mo! But as the activity went on, I wasn't expecting this. Basta?
Since kuya, tinatawag kaming cookies.
Wow! Ito yung gusto ko.
Kami naman matawag yan.
Wow! Thank you! That the students would surprise me.
I don't need anything.
Tsaka meron pa sa atin ng harana.
Ikaw na lang mo.
Ayo, ako ba? Legit yan. Dapat maganda yung boses ha. Joke lang. Okay, kayan. Sino ba tong? Mukhang gwapong. Huwag kang kaman.
3. Puno ng
Langit ng bituin
at ilamig pa ng hangin. Sa iyong tingin ako'y nababaliw.
giliw sa awitin kong ito. Sana maibigan mo. Buhos ko ang buong puso ko. Sa munting harana.
Para kanino? Para sa'yo.
Yeah! Thank you so much, Mari. Thank you so much. So very creative.
Saan nilalagay ang mga aso?
Saan?
At sa parking lot, ang tawag sa babaeng kapatid ng kanyang mama.
Ano?
Auntie. Gataneo ako, quiz.
You're into tech ba?
Okay naman po.
If ever techie ka naman na person, you love programming and then at the same time gusto mo rin ang business side, go for information systems.
Sige.
Siyempre, course ko yun eh. Parami natin yung IS, mga endangered species kasi kami. Update, paubos na. Yung mga drinks dito, naubos na rin. Last, ikaw yung last. Or nice, no problem, no problem. Sold out na. Wala na, natira. Dapat sila Kuya Guard din meron. Yun lang, di natin nabilan sila Kuya Guard. Ito na lang natitira eh, si ate na lang oh. Last woman standing.
At di pa nga naging isang oras, ubos na yung pagkain dito sa kantin.
Naubos. Look at this. Ubos na ubos yung mga pagkain dito. Sayang wala kayo po.
kaming lang.
Para surprise, sir. You wanna say hi? Senior high school teachers. Kamusta naman ako sa research?
Hindi ka naman masyadong pabuhay.
Ang sabi. Sige na, sir. Baka may masabi ka pa po. Tara, doon tayo kay ate. Pasok tayo. Tingnan natin kung magkano babayaran. Okay. Ay, guys.
Yeah. Well, that's my reaction. Kasi sakto lang yung cash na dala ko. Yung literal na sinahod ko lang talaga.
Pwede tong BDO na lang ate. Or dapat cash siya.
And kinakabahan na ako kasi they don't accept online payments daw.
Wala kaya ma'am yung cash niya. Pwede na akong Gcash ma'am, ang iba.
Hi ate, kamusta? Ano sabi?
Ay ma'am Nel na lang.
Okay, nice.
Sabi niya.
But buti na lang, napakiusapan naman. Lesson learned, next time lagi magdala ng extra cash.
Okay. Paid na ate. Picturean. Wala na ko pang tuition. Thank you so much ate. Nice to see you again. Ate, thank you ulit. See you again next year. Ata. But actually, ginawa ko na rin to before when I was in senior high school. Dalawang best ko siya ginawa. And yeah, na-vlog ko rin yun. And it was really fun doing it. Nakakagaan sa puso. Tapos tanda ko pa nun, bumalik ako ng classroom, na-late ako.
10 minutes late kami
Discuss na. Nakakahiya yun. Bagsak na nga ako dun sa subject niya. Nalilate pa ako. Getting my first salary made me happy. As in, grabe ang saya-saya ko. Yeah. Whew, eto na siya. Let's go. So very excited. But you know, giving it back to where my journey started made it even more meaningful. Kasi this is where most of my vlogs began when I was in senior high school. And this is also my way of thanking the school that took care of me. And to you guys, thank you so much for support. I always appreciate your support kasi I wouldn't be here without you guys. And if there's one thing that you guys won't regret, is yan na yung pagsuporta sa akin. And let's be the reason change happens. Ito po ma'am, pogi pa rin.
Talagang guwapo ka talaga.
Narinig niyo na yun kay ma'am ha?
Ini po ang favorite kong estudyante.
Weh!
Vlog talaga.
Yeah. Makikita nila kung sino talagang favorite student mo. Ma'am, thank you so much po.